Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is another video for the 100 envelope savings challenge that we are doing it in the simplest way. Thanks for everybody who have been watching. Today is the 8th part of it and we are almost done. It means we go to the 9th and the 10th and we are done. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Josie. Keep watching. Hi, hello. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing very well. Today is Monday, so you guys know what your girl is doing here. Today, let's read our motivational message, and it's very simple. Like I said, I like the simple ones because it talks to us so much. Of late, I've been feeling like I'm sick, which I'm sick, but I don't want the sickness to take over me. So today, the message is keep going. Yeah, we have to keep going. We are keep going in a positive way, not in a negative way. You have to keep going. Whatever you are doing, don't stop. Don't stop. Finish it. Keep going and finish it. At times it's hard, but trust me. Because if it's all by me, I'll be sleeping on my bed right now. But I have to keep on going. Okay, let's dive into today's video. Let's count the money to see how much we're going to put in. Numbers from 71 to 80. Today, you guys know we are doing math here, so I don't even have my calculator. So let's count the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we do have 20. Everybody put it in your head, 20. Then for the fives, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 25. So that makes it 45. And for the tens, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 70. So 70 plus 45. That makes it 115. I hope I did the math right. If I did not do it right, when I'm editing the video, I'll do it right. I hope I did the math right. Hopefully I did. Okay, so today, let's go ahead and check this. It's so fulfilling when I'm opening this book. Really fulfilling. I can't wait to get it done. It's so beautiful too. Look at that. If this is not beautiful for you, I don't know what look beautiful for you. Okay, so we are going to do 71 to 80. Then we will do 81 to 90, then 91 to 100. Then we're done. So after today, we have 2 more parts to go. Then we're going to count it. I have already decided we're going to count it on live. And I think about 3 things I'm going to give away in the live. I can't wait. I don't want the people who have been watching me consistently miss it. So I'm going to announce it in some of my videos the day that we are going on live. I think it's going to be next Sunday. Yes. So watch out for the announcement coming on my community page. I can't wait. I can't wait. So let's see. Today is 7 plus 1 is $8. Today is Monday, so I'm telling myself I'm starting the week strong and going. Keep going. And for those of you who have been asking me questions, I keep on telling you, I'm not doing it in the normal way. I'm doing it in a different way. If you want to do it this way, feel free to do so. If you don't want it, go into the normal way. It's not any big deal, but we are doing it in such a way that people who cannot put 71 here is going to put $8 and it will still be okay to put $8. You still save something. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Instead of 72, we are putting 9. If you can put 72, yeah, that's good. All the best for that. Some of us cannot afford 72 right now. We can afford 9. So we put a 9 here. My next one is 7 plus 3, which is 10. So that's what we are doing. $10. Okay. Then 7 plus 4 is 11. Then we have 7 plus 5, which is 12. This is my 12. Then I have 7 plus 6, which is 13. And I think I'm going to create a playlist. That's the 100 Envelope Savings Challenge. So that some of you are waiting for me to finish. You can reference that playlist and follow along as well. I'm going to do that. So that I'll put all the 100 Envelope Savings Challenge in there so that you will know which one. And after this one, we're going to do one of the savings challenge that low income, high income, anybody can do it. And it's a challenge that I created. So we're going to do that one. And that one is supposed to last for like 15 days. But I think if I do like 2 in a week, it wouldn't last for that long. So we're going to do that challenge. After this, then we will come back to the 100 Envelope Savings Challenge to do it in a different way. I have thought about it. And I'm going to see if it's an easy one or not. I'm not sure yet, but I think it might be easy. 7 plus 7 is 14. And that one too is going to be a lot of fun. Trust me, I can't wait to count this one. And for those of you who have been asking me where to get a challenge, I have it in my shop. But if you have any 100 Envelope Savings Challenge, you can also do it along. Or you can do it on your own way by using envelopes 1 to 100. Whichever way you want to do it. If you want to buy, I have it in my shop. You can personalize it, the one in my shop, as compared to the regular ones that you cannot. Let me see. This is what. 14. Okay. Let me make sure it's very okay so that I can put it in. And I just have like a few left. Then this batch will get finished. So in case you want to buy it, I have it in my shop. For those of you who have been asking, yes, I do have it in my shop. And when for my challenge, I also have an empty one in case you want to do it in a different way that you can track it. So this one doesn't want to get fit. Okay, so that's that one. Then 7 plus 8 is 15. Okay, 7 plus 9 is 16. Okay, then I have 8 plus 0 is 8. I'm not putting 80, I'm putting 8. If you are putting 80, that's good. That's really good. But some of us cannot put 80. We can put just 8. And it's still saving little by little. So, okay. So we are all done from 71 to 80. That was the part 8. I can't wait to get done. So we have 2 more to go. So Wednesday, I'll do 81 to 90. Then on Monday, next Monday, I'll do 91 to 100. Okay, so the chances is that we're going to do the live probably in 2 weeks. It's not going to be this coming Sunday because I won't get done. Or maybe I can get done during the week, then we can do the live on Sunday. Announcement will be coming, so watch out for that. So now, this is how it look like. Very fulfilling, beautiful. That's what I would say. If this is not beautiful for you, it is beautiful for me. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. That's what I think is said. So this is beautiful for me. So cute. I can't wait. I can't wait to count the money. And I was thinking of using the money for my traveling binder. Yes, that's what I'm going to use it for. We have travel coming up. So I have to start staffing my travel, and I'm going to share with you guys my traveling binder as well. So in case somebody want to create one, you can. It's a very simple one. Then, like I said, for my 100 envelope savings challenge, it come with an empty tracker. So that's how it look like, empty. So you fill it in yourself, like what I'm doing right now. Okay, 2 more to go. This is how it look like. So beautiful. Okay. So in case you have any questions about this challenge, feel free to comment it, and I'll be so happy to answer. Let's make sure we can close it. Yeah, you can still close it. For how far we have come, you can easily close it like this. Okay, and let's read this again. Keep going, sis. Keep going, bro. It might be hard, I'm telling you, not easy, but keep going. So thanks for watching me today. If you are new here, you are my VIP. If you are an OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. Go and be grateful. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye bye.